Hello, everyone. I wanted to let you know, as we're coming to the end of summer and starting to look at the season ahead, of this activity, a workshop that I'm doing in Tuscany, Italy, from October 17th to the 20th. It's a workshop that I'm titled Tranformations, and it's going to take place on a beautiful, old, renovated farmhouse where we will be able to enjoy and even perhaps interact with the grounds, the natural environments around the farmhouse. We will be able to use technology. We will be able to use mostly our creativity and explore our inner artists for 4 days in an idyllic location. If you're interested in participating or in finding out about the workshop, go to the website poderetrafonti.com. It is required to make a reservation. I hope to see you in Tuscany in October.